Yep. Nice and slow. Straight, straight. Keep going straight. Now to me. Hard, hard to me. Keep going, yep. So keep coming to me. Keep coming. Alright. So straight. Yep. It's gonna go. So come to me a little bit. Yep. So back that way. To the left. Yep. Straight. To me. Slow down. You gotta slow down. To me. Keep coming to me. Keep coming. Nice and slow. Remember, slow. So straight. Yep. So to me a little bit. Keep coming. Keep coming. Nice and slow. Yep. See?
Ready?
Yep. So just follow exactly what I say. So straight. Remember, slow, slow. To the left, all the way. Oh, go. Straight, straight, straight. To you, to you, to you.
Alright, I made it.
Yep. Remember, you want to keep one tire here and one tire there. Yep. You got it. Straight, straight. Yep. To me, to me, to me. Yep, straight now. Now turn all the way to the right. Keep going. It's gonna go. So slow. Straight. Keep going, but nice and slow. Remember, the faster you go, you're gonna upset it. Yep. Keep turning left. Keep turning. It's gonna do it. Straight, straight, straight. You got it.
Ooh, okay.
Alright. That way, that way. Yep, to the left. Yep, nice and easy. Nice and easy. You gotta go nice and slow. Nice. Alright. Remember, it's slow. Alright. So that tire stays on. So now wait, slow down. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna come down this way.
Alright.
So again, you're gonna keep one tire here and one tire here and come down slowly.
There's some.
It's the first time coming down. So nice and slow. So the same way you came up this way, the same way you're gonna come down. Alright. I'm gonna keep one tire this way. You wanna follow this rock down. Nice and slow. Especially when you go down. Straighten out. Nice.